Hello everyone, this is MP again. Um, Recently in previous video what we did, we read the data from SQL database, and then we read the data in the categories from data grid view. So similarly I thought, if we are doing this, so then it will be very too easy to make this video to compare with the combo box. So as you can see, if we open this as a new product, it always need the categories here. So these are the similar categories which we already um, tested like against the database in the category menu item. But here we have combo box, and in the category section we were having a whole data grid view. So this way I can show you like how we can compare the values from the combo box with the SQL database, since we are already doing that. So it will be a very quick. So firstly, to start with, we have to go to open the product, and then we will click on new product. So let me write the code for that. So here in my category we will just comment this out, and then we already written the code for that, I guess, for product. Yeah, so we're gonna verify the product and the button new product. Okay, so let's copy that code here. Alright, so let's run this to see if we can get there. Okay, so now we will comment out, we will put breakpoint here, and then we will run into debug mode, debug the test, and let's see if we can go until that condition. Something wrong with my mouse. Oh, we went again to that condition which we don't want it. So what we are doing, we are going to product. Are we? Oh, this is the category. Let me close this. I think we are doing here. Okay, so now we have to click on new product. So I think which we already wrote here, button new product, and here we are clicking on that button new product, my button. Okay, so this we have to copy paste. Okay, let's run it again. Did we get to that point? Oh, why it is opening the, oh, okay, so I think something is getting wrong here. Oh, maybe I am also clicking on the category. See, that's why. Okay, so let me disable this and stop, and then do again. I think this will fail. I am not started it in a debug mode, so here we have to go. Okay, so now I can cancel it. My run is okay. Let's start. Okay, so we comes up to here, and so here we are data table. So what we have to do here, instead of, because as you know that in our product we seeing the in our product we are seeing this combo box. So there is no 5 and 6 values, but in our database we are having 5 and 6, so we have to change our query. So let's select the cat name only, and now we will have only this query. Okay, so we will have only these values. So similarly, how we did that for the data grid view, we're gonna do the same in this one. Okay, so firstly we have to identify this combo box and just see what is that. So combo category, so this is a window and then we have a combo box. Okay, so let me write the code for that. So guys, now we have to disable this ID because we are not getting that from the database. So let me copy this query and paste this here, and we're gonna disable this, and this will be our 0 column. And here in the data grid view rows count, we not gonna do that. So instead of these, we gonna get the combo box. Okay, let me write the code for that. So guys, here in the so far what I wrote, so firstly I'm inputting the window. Okay, let me show you how I did that. Okay, so when you hover over it and control I, then you will just get a combo box, and which means you're gonna get the combo box only, combo box control. But when you do the combo box control, it is not like a single combo box. So in the combo box you are having a list, and under that list there are list items. So what I did, I made an instance for the add new product, and so this variable is returning from my code from the window, and now we have a this product, and we have this window, and then I made another instance for combo category. So here this is another type of window. So basically you have to follow the hierarchy as I shown in my previous videos, and then I made a instance of the category combo box, so which is the last one. So this one was like a control name, and this was like we will just say control type, because this is not like having a unique name. So I wrote this function for the combo box instance return. So it is returning the combo box, so it is taking the parent window argument, and then we are supplying the control type. So control type is simply combo box, and so here we are doing combo box, and this is the control type. And in other case, if like combo box have a specific unique name, then we can say unique name, but in this one we are just saying control type. Okay, all right, so let's go here. So now what we have to see, we have to open the list and then hover over the list and then press Ctrl I, and this will show you the particular specific element. So see, under that we have a list. In that combo box we have these many hierarchies. So in this list item I am trying to get the list item instead of a list. Let's see if that will going to be work. So for the list item I made this function, which is like win list item, and this is taking two argument. One is parent control and other one is property name. So it is taking name argument name property. And so here we're gonna save variable kind of combo cat combo list item equal to my function dot win list item. And this is, so in the parent window, parent control, we can pass this category control, and then in property name we can say it's a kind of a list item. So we have to say control type is, I don't think it's gonna work, but let's see. So but here in our formula we have to, or you can say method, we have to change this as a control type. Control type is list item. This will be a string. All right, so let's save it, and here we're gonna pass the my bad guys, what I'm doing here, we should pass this there, but so this we are passing here. All right, so this will be a list items, and now we need a list count. So see what it's saying, list. So yeah, I think this list is not having any index. Yeah, list item does not have index in Windows application, I guess. So what we gonna do, we gonna take the db count. So here we can say for loop, and which gonna okay, let me see how we gonna do that. All right guys, so I figured out, like, firstly we have to open the combo box, and then we can verify the list item, because otherwise, like, if we not opening it, like, then it's not appearing, because in winner list there is no index number. So you can't say to this list, okay, go to the first index and give me this value, like we did for the data grid view. So what we are doing, we are just opening the combo box. So this is just a simple I'm calling this simple button function. So you can see here in the definition, it's just simply we are providing a parent window, which is combo box in this case, and property name is the name of the button, and if the button is existing, then it is clicking on the button. Okay, so it's nothing complicated. So so let me show you what it's doing so far. Okay, combo box is little hectic, so right now it is just clicking and opening the combo box for now, and then we gonna click it if that is available. If not, then we gonna say okay, if it's not existing, then we gonna say okay, it's not existing. So let's quickly go to our combo box. Okay, so let's stop it. Okay, so now we have to we need a list item, as I told you. In the list item, okay, so list item, we gonna say the list item is this list item, so we can directly jump into that. And the parent of the list item is combo box, and the value which we give to it is like the database value. All right, so let's go here. So we can create like my, or just say cat list item equals to my function dot win list item, and in this one we are giving the parent, which is our cat combo box, and then we gonna pass the database value. So database value, we are passing the database value where it is, database category name. Okay, so we gonna put this here, and then so let me show you quickly what is the function, what the function is doing. Go to definition. So this win list function, we are providing the parent item and the property name. Property name is nothing but the value itself, which is coming from the database. So it is going here, searching the name, and so making a list item, and then it is checking if that list is existing. Only in that case it will click that or select that item from that list. So I am returning then the my list. Okay, so here we will put the logic like if the cat list item if the cat list item exists, then it means it's available. So we gonna write it like, okay, we gonna write it is available. List item, and this is the item. Available in combo box. Available in combo box. Okay, I'll also show you the negative scenario as well, just to make sure everything is working. So in negative case, what we gonna do, we gonna see the we gonna say available. This we can say not available. Not available. Okay, so let's go and see what it's doing. So here I commented out some code because we really don't need that much things here. This one we can comment it out, and this flag and everything else we really don't need. So our code is very simple here. So let's comment it out again, all other things. Okay, so let's make a build. Okay, so everything looks good to me, so let's run it. Okay, let's run and see what it's doing. So it is checking the first one, and then again it will select the another one, I guess. So look like it's working. So each time it is getting the value from the database, and then it is checking that value. So but the key thing is here we need to click that open button from the combo box, otherwise it will not like identify as a list item. But in UFT it's different. In UFT you will have like all the values before opening the combo box. So each tool is like works differently. So it passed. So let's check it out the result in the C drive automation report, this one. So home page access, this is available in the combo box. So for instance, just to check it, is it working okay, we can alright, so we can just give our temporary value, any like instead of database value we can just set any value like hello. Okay, so in this case what it will do, it will still iterate. So what we can do, if it's not existing, we can just break the for loop, because then there is a no point like we gonna do it again and again. And you can also do that, but for now, okay, let's, because otherwise it will iterate like 3-4 times. But anyways, let's do that. All right, let's run it. So now it is trying to find hello, and it is not able to find that. That's why it is waiting for 20 seconds, I guess. Or we can also give a specific time, like if it's not finding, then it should be go to the next step. So those all kind of customization and optimization you guys can do in your scripts, so that your script will not take that much time. So each time now it will wait to find that UI element or list element. So let's see, it's trying and trying. So let's see. So now we are taking the values from database and testing against the combo box. And in this one we are not like testing against all the values, but in data grid view we did like we test against all the values. So if you guys like need any kind of help for creating like the functions and all that, so I'll happy to help you. All right, let's see the result. So it's saying like these all are not available in the combo box, not available. So this was the negative scenario. So you have to make sure like it's working okay when you did your script. So it's always good to validate against the negative scenario. So let me correct here. All right, so if you guys have any question and concern, you guys can let me know. I'll happy to help you with. So this was a combo box automation. I mean, we were validating the combo box against the SQL database values. So I hope this will help you to learn the scripting. And thank you very much, guys. This video is still I was hoping like I gonna finish it soon, but yeah, still it's very long video. All right, guys, thank you very much. Bye bye.